Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest features to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super cool: how to add your car key to Apple Wallet in 2025. With advancements in iOS and car connectivity, this feature lets you unlock and start your car with just a tap of your iPhone. No more fumbling for keys. It's not only convenient but also a step towards a more seamless, futuristic driving experience. Before we dive in, make sure you have a compatible car that supports Apple Wallet, like certain models from BMW or Tesla, and that your iPhone is running iOS 19 or later. You'll also need Bluetooth enabled and a stable internet connection for the initial setup. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's the one with the wallet icon, easy to find on your home screen. Once you're in, tap the plus button in the upper right corner to add a new item. Now, select Car Key from the options that appear. If it's your first time, you might need to authenticate with your Face ID or passcode for security. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to pair your car. This usually involves holding your iPhone near the car's NFC reader or Bluetooth sensor. Check your car's manual for the exact location. You'll be asked to confirm details like your car's make and model, so have that handy. After pairing, Apple Wallet will verify the connection, which might take a minute or two. Once it's done, your car key will appear in your Wallet app, ready to use. A quick tip: if you encounter any issues, like the key not appearing, double-check that your iPhone's software is up to date and that Bluetooth is turned on. Also, ensure your car's firmware is compatible with 2025 standards. This feature works best with Express mode enabled, so go to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay to turn that on for faster access. And there you have it. Your car key is now in Apple Wallet. This not only adds convenience but also enhances security with features like automatic locking. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.